Welcome to this short video tutorial in a series of using clickers in the classroom designed for faculty and staff at University of Maryland. So in today's session we're going to show you how to upload your participant list into Turning Point and then how to use that participant list during your polling session. So to begin, you'll want to open up Turning Point on the computer that you're going to be using when you run your polling session. And from the Turning Point dashboard, you'll click on the Manage tab at the top of the screen. From there, you will click on the Participant List drop-down menu and select New. Then you'll click the button for Download from Integration and click Create List. In the integration window, you want Canvas, so if that's not showing up in there, just click on that drop-down arrow and select Canvas from the options there. In the server address, you'll enter umd.turningtechnologies.com, all lowercase. You don't need to put anything in username or password. You will want to check that button for remember this information, so you won't have to type that in again. Go ahead and click Connect. And then you'll need to enter your directory ID and password. And click Login. And then you'll have one more login window. Just click the Login button. Then you'll see a list of all the courses that you are associated with in Canvas. So from that list, you'll find the one that you want it to use for polling and check the box next to it and then click Import. And you'll get a message that the participant list has been successfully imported, and click OK. And then you will see it listed in the left-hand side of the screen. And if you click on it, you'll see a list of the students who are in that course. Now, to use that participant list in polling, you'll click on the Polling tab and then click on the name of the participant list that you want to use for this session's polling. Now, if you're using PowerPoint polling, you just go ahead and click on the PowerPoint polling panel on the left-hand side, and that will launch PowerPoint, and you can run your PowerPoint presentation with the clicker slides that you've created inside of it. For today, I'm going to be using Anywhere Polling, which is just a different option of polling that sort of floats on top of any application that you're using. And in this polling session, I'm going to go ahead and create a quick question and ask what color is the sky and give a few options. And start polling. And you can see I've got one response. So I'll go ahead and close the poll. And there I'll see the results for this question. If you haven't used Anywhere Polling, this is a good little demo of how it works. So at this point, whether you're using PowerPoint polling or you are using Anywhere Polling, when you're done at the end of your session, you'll go ahead and close by, in Anywhere, clicking the little X. And then I will go ahead and say Save the session file. In PowerPoint polling, of course, I would close PowerPoint. And I will get this same message about unsaved session data. Either way, you want to save it. And the default for session data is the words new session and a time and date stamp. I'm going to leave that as is right now. I'm going to show you a little bit later how to change that. But I'm going to leave it, and I'm going to leave it in the sessions folder, which is where I want to keep it. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now you see I've got my session file over here, and it's associated with the course that I had selected, Clickers in the Classroom. So to change the name for this, the easiest way is to select it, the session file, and then click on the little pencil icon. And here's where I can change the name to anything I want. And a lot of people use polling sessions, clicker sessions, as quizzes or assessments. So I'm going to go ahead and call this Quiz 3 and click Save. And now I've got my Quiz 3 listed with my other session files under this participant list. So that's it for importing the participant list and using it during a polling session. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to export that session, that clicker session, into your Canvas gradebook. If you have any questions about using clickers in the classroom, send us an email at clickers@umd.edu.